Hello, welcome to Miss Shaw's High Frequency Words learning video for Tuesday, 9/22. We are continuing on with our high frequency words have, is, and he. So your objective, what will I do today? You're going to be working with these sight words have, is, and he. Today, I will identify and read high frequency words have, is, and he by reading sentences and choosing the sight word that completes the sentence. Here's the teaks that we will be working with today. So here are our three new sight words: have, H, A, V, E, have. I, S, is, and H, E, he. Your activity today is to use the three sight words to fill in the blank to finish the sentence. We did something similar to this last week. You're going to write the sentence on a piece of paper. You're going to underline the sight word in the sentence. Here's an example. Your first step is read the sentence. I blank a cat. Your second step is to decide which sight word goes into the blank. Will it be have, is, or he? Then you're going to write the sentence with the sight word in the blank on a sheet of paper. So number 4, your final thing is, I have a cat, because the word have completes the sentence. This is actually one of the activities that is not in the reading book, and that's okay. You can just put it on a piece of paper. So your final sentence should read, I have a cat, and you would underline the sight word have. So your job is to complete the following 3 sentences on the next slide using the sight words for this week, have, is, or he. You can do this on paper, or you can do this on your dry erase board and take a picture. Here are your sentences. So once again, you're going to fill in the blank of the sentences with have, is, or he. So number 1 says, I blank a puppy. Isn't that a cute picture of a puppy? I love that picture. Number 2, blank is jumping. Number 3, blank the heart red. So you're going to choose these words to finish your sentence, either have, is, or he. Thank you for watching High Frequency Words Tuesday.